slowly.
Okay, am I audible? Okay. So good morning to everyone. I'm Yash from Bangalore. So today I'll be conducting a fantastic workout session. Let's enjoy. And it's a very pleasant and cool weather here. So it's the best time to trigger our system to come out of that laziness. Let's start. Always we'll be starting with the breathing. Okay, breathing is very important. When we expand our lungs and take in oxygen, it helps us keep going in the workout while you work out, because we breathe vigorously and that time oxygen helps us. Okay, so let's start the breathing. 10 counts. 1, 2. After inhaling, hold for 1 second and release. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, good. So now we'll be doing some simple stretches. Okay, so we are gonna collapse your hand and just pull yourself up. Stand on both your toes and hold there for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring your legs down. Now turn on to your right side. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come up. Now we'll be moving on to the left side. Back has to be straight. Don't bend it. Has to be straight. Only the hip movement. From here you're gonna bend. Okay. Bend onto your left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring your hands down. Feel that stretch in your sides. Okay. Now we'll be doing some neck rotation. Even hold your hands on your waist, and we are going to just turn sidewise. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to do rotation clockwise. 1, 2. Do it slowly. 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Now we'll be doing the eye rotation. This has to be done every day. If you were seeing more of the lap, if you are more on the screen, it reduces the strain, and it also relaxes your eyes. So what we'll be doing here is we'll be looking sidewise, extreme left, only the eyeball movement, extreme right, extreme left, extreme right, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up and down. 1, up, down, up, down, up, down. Now clockwise and anti-clockwise rotation. Start clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, good. Now let's do hip rotation. Only the movement of the hip, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Let's start clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, good. Now we'll be bringing our hands up. We'll be doing the rotation. It will be for the shoulder muscles to develop. Okay, we'll be doing 20 round small circles clockwise and anti-clockwise, and again 20 big circles and reverse. Okay, so it will be continuous. So let's start. Everyone, hands up. Start with the small circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No stopping. Big circles. Come on. 1. Feel that pain. Pain indicates that the muscle is building. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Come on, reverse. Last 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Feel that pain. Just stretch your arms. Very good. Now we'll be doing the toe rotation. We'll be lifting our right leg up and rotating our toes clockwise and anti-clockwise. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like down. Now we'll be doing on to the left side. Clockwise start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, good. So we are done with the stretching. All the muscles are activated. So we'll be moving on to the cardio now. So here what we'll be doing is we'll be lifting our hands up and jumping and landing on our toes. We'll be landing on our toes. So here what happens is there are two things happening. When you land on your toes, you are building your calf muscles. And when you lift your hands up, your lungs are expanded, which helps you take in more oxygen and keeps you going. So we'll be doing 100 counts of this. And then we'll be moving on to the jumping jacks. Those who are doing it for the first time, do it this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you're comfortable, you can do with the normal one. Then after this, we'll be doing this for 50 counts. And after this, we'll be moving on to the high knees. Okay, we'll be doing this also for 50 counts. Okay, let's start with the cardio. Come on, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Last 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Just keep jogging, don't stop. We'll be moving on to the jumping jacks now. Catch your breath. Okay. Now we'll move on to the jumping jacks. Come on, 50 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, keep jogging. Come on. Don't stop. You're not done yet. Keep jogging. Don't stop. Yes, good. Okay, now high knees. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Keep jogging. Just jog around wherever you are. Slowly feel the heart rate coming down. Okay, good. So just do some breathing to regain some breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, good. So now we'll be doing something for our thigh muscles. So basically we'll be doing the squats. Okay. So why leg workout is needed? In order to get that balance. So when people age, they use the sticks since they don't get enough support due to and have severe leg issues, and it is always better to make our legs strong by now so that we can stay strong as we age. Okay, so what we'll be doing here is we'll be doing these squats, simple squats. There are double shoulder distance. Okay, holding your hand, you can hold your hand. When I do the count, if we going down and coming up, the back has to be straight. Don't bend it to the wrong. When you go down, only your hip goes down, back has to be straight. Okay, we'll be doing 20 counts of this, 2 sets. Let's start. And when you come up, don't come up completely. When you come up slightly, the knees have to be bent. Okay, let's start. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on. Feel that muscles building up. 3, 4, 5, 6, last 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, good. Just walk around. Feel that pain and heat generating in this area. Means the sun is building. But it's not just exercise, even diet. Sufficient amount of protein is required to build them. Only exercise will lead to the wasting of muscles. Okay, come on, the second set now. If you are having any phone in front, don't look into the camera if it is kept down. It will cause a pain here. Better just see straight in front. Okay, come on, second set. Let's start. Last 20. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.5. Last one. Yes. Good. Just stretch. So your legs here and there. Feel the pain. Walk around. Good. Relax. Okay. Now We'll be moving down on the mat. Okay. So here we'll be doing something for our abs as well as the love handles. This is the area where the fat stores most of the time when we tend to sit for a long time. So if you're sitting for a long time, just make sure after probably every 30 or 45 minutes, you just get up, and if possible, you just do this asana. You're gonna hold your left hand to the right knee and catch your left toe with your right hand. Okay, so this is gonna stretch this muscle here, and you'll feel relaxed too all other times. Okay, let's move on to the abs now. So here what we'll be doing is first we'll be doing the up and down, the bouncing of the legs, bringing our leg up 90 degree and go down, not touching the leg to the ground, coming up, going down. So we'll be doing this for 20 counts. After 20 counts, immediately we'll be moving on to the flutter kicks. Okay. When you do this, you may feel a pain in your lower back. I mean, not pain, the tightness. So in order to avoid that, you could just lift your head like this. Okay. So this will push your back and you won't have that pain. You only have the pain in your abs. So we'll be doing this for 20 counts, and later we'll be doing the V crunch. So here our hands are kept on the side, and when I give the count, you lift up both your legs and hands. Okay, legs have to be straight. Just go up, come down, go up, come down. This one also for 20 counts. So these three exercises we'll be doing it together, no breaks in between. 2 sets we'll be doing. Okay, let's start. Come on. When you do, just feel that muscle coming up. When you feel, you get motivated more and more. Just doing will not work. Just feel that pain, feel that muscle. Yes, that abs are coming up. Okay, come on, we are good to go. Let's start with the up and down, hand side. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on, last 10. 9, 8. Feel the pain in your lower abs. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come on, no stopping. Flutter kicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Legs down. Come on, V crunch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on, last 10. Push yourself. Feel that abs coming out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. Relax. Feel that pain. your abs. Come on, just relax. We have one more set to go. Regain your breath. Okay, 10 seconds break. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on, let's start once more. Up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4. You may feel it difficult now, but later you'll feel good that you did this tough one. 8, 9, 10. Letter kicks, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Legs down. B crunch. Come on. Only 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Very good. Good job, everyone. With the pain in your lower ab region, just keep doing this movement. Good. All right. So we are done with the abs now. If you're doing something for this love handles, here also known as the backside fat. Okay. This area has to be triggered. Okay. Don't miss any exercise related to your lower back. It's very good. Okay, so here what we'll be doing is we'll be sitting on our hips and doing the semicircle. Okay, left to right, left to right. We'll be doing this for 20 counts. We'll be triggering here, and after 20 counts, we'll be moving on to the Russian twists. 20 counts in our legs and turning, touching both the sides, and after that, we'll be lying on the ground and we'll be doing alternate crunches. Okay, your right elbow touching the left knee. Okay, we'll be doing this movement. Okay, come up as much as possible. This one for 10 counts and 10 counts on the other side. Okay, so these 3 exercises together with no breaks and 2 sets of these. Okay, here we have 10 seconds more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on, semicircle. Let's start. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. Russian twist, 20 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Feel the pain in your side. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Come on. Alternate crunch. Let's start with your right elbow touching the left knee. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, relax. Feel the pain. Your sides. Good. Relax. We have 10 seconds more. Catch your breath. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on, last set. Let's push ourselves. Semicircle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, Russian twist. Come on, 20 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Last alternate crunch. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Relax. We are done. Just relax. Feel that pain. Okay. Probably some of you might be cursing me. It's so difficult one, but you'll feel really good later that you did this, and that will keep you motivated. in going front. So last we're doing the simple stretches for our sides, which I mentioned earlier. We'll be keeping our folding our left leg, touching to the left thigh, catch your right leg, right knee with your left hand, and try to catch your left toe, the right hand. If not possible, just try keep pushing yourself. So you'll be doing this for 20 counts each, 20 this side and the other side. Okay, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Come up. Good. Slowly change the side. Okay, will be now catch your left knee and catch the right toe. Yes. Let's be here for 20 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Slowly come up, relax. Okay, we are done with the workout. Now it's time to cool down. Cool down is very important, especially if you have overtrained. You have to cool down. Just cannot do overtraining and just finish off. Cool down is very important. Relaxes the body because when we do the vigorous workout, the body is under tremendous stress as well. So that stress has to be brought down. So what we'll be doing is, those who are comfortable can sit in the Vajrasana. Those who find it difficult, you can just sit in Sukhasana. Okay. So here in the Vajrasana, we'll be sitting here. We'll do some slow breathing and we'll be moving on to the Anulom Vinulom. Okay. Locking your right nostril and inhaling through the left, holding and then releasing through the right nostril. Okay, when we do this, will be the point index and the middle finger will be in between our eyebrows. Okay, and same process will be continued. This one for 10 counts. After this, we'll be moving on to the Sukhasana and doing the Kapalabhati for 20 counts. And later, finally, we'll be doing some Shavasana. Okay, let's start. Hands in Chin Mudra. Close your eyes. Just do some slow, deep breathing. Feel the heartbeat. Your heart is slowly coming down. Okay, let's move on to the Anulom Vinulom. I'll not be giving the counts. Do your own 10 counts. Here you'll be inhaling for 5 counts, hold for around 2 seconds and exhale for 5 counts. Okay. When you inhale, visualize you're inhaling all the positivity, all the good thoughts. And when you hold, you are separating all the unwanted negative thoughts from the positive ones. And when you exhale, just feel that you're flushing out all the negative thoughts. Okay, let's start. Do your own 10 counts. Okay, now slowly move on to the Sukhasana. Your eyes closed. It will be Kapalabhati now. Inhaling and forceful breathing from the abdomen for 20 counts. Let's start. Inhale, good. And now slowly with the support of your hands, move on to the Shavasana. Set your hands with your palms raised up. Keep visualizing the way you want to look, probably another 2 3 months, and what you want. Try to hear the smallest of the sounds. Be grateful for whatever you have. and whatever is are today. Okay, now slowly come into the real world. Turn on to your right side. Lift the right hand up. Support of the left hand. Come up. Be in Sukhasana. Now rub your palms, generating heat. Place them on your face, your arms, legs. Again, keep them on your head, chest, your sides, your legs. Last. Place them on your palms. Slowly open your eyes. Okay, good. Good job, everyone. Thank you all.